In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Canva website to an existing domain so your site looks more professional. This isn't a tutorial on building a Canva website. This is specifically about linking your domain to Canva the right way. First, make sure your website design is ready in Canva. Go to the search bar, type website, choose a template, customize it as it, and when everything looks good, you're ready to publish. Once your design is finished, go to the Publish Website button in the top right. Canva will lock your design while you publish, and it's best to keep all the default settings like mobile resizing exactly as they are. Next, choose Use My Existing Domain and click Continue. Canva will now ask for your domain name. Your domain needs to be registered somewhere like Namecheap, GoDaddy, Hostinger, or Google Domains. In my case, the domain is registered on Namecheap, so I'll go to my Namecheap dashboard, find my domain list, locate the domain I want to connect, and copy the full domain name. Paste it into Canva and click Continue. Canva will now guide you through the DNS setup. The first step is adding a TXT record. Go to your domain manager, click Manage, then open Advanced DNS. Delete any old DNS record so nothing conflicts. Then click Add New Record. Choose TXT record and return to Canva. Copy the value under the name/host field and paste it into the host box. Then copy the value point to field from Canva and paste it into the value box in Namecheap. Save it. After saving the TXT record, click the button in Canva confirming it's been added. Now, Canva asks for an A record. Go back to your DNS panel, choose Add New Record, select A record and paste the @ symbol into the host box. Copy the second value from Canva and paste it into the value box. Save it. Next, Canva needs one more A record. This one will use www as the host. Add a new A record, paste www, then copy Canva's value and paste it into the value field. Save your changes. At this point, you should have one TXT record and two A records. Tell Canva you've added all three records. You'll then be able to set a custom page URL if you want, but most people use their main domain without a slash. Add a short page description too. This is what appears on search engines. You can also customize the browser tab title for a polished branding touch. Now publish your website. Canva will begin verifying your domain through your DNS provider. Verification can take anywhere from a few minutes to 72 hours, depending on DNS propagation, and Canva will email you when the domain is active. You can preview your website immediately, but the live domain may not connect right away. To check the status, go to your Canva homepage, click the settings icon in the top right, scroll down to domains, and you'll see whether it's still pending or fully connected. If you want to double check whether your DNS records are correct, copy your domain and go to dnschecker.org. Paste your domain and run a search. If the results turn green, everything is set up properly. You just need to wait for DNS updates to finish. And that's all you need to connect your Canva website to a custom domain. Give it a little time, and once the DNS changes have fully propagated, your website will load directly from your domain.